Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fade a picture on PowerPoint step by step. I'll be showing you this on the desktop version. This feature isn't available in the web app. First, click on the picture you want to fade. If you don't have a picture on your slide yet, go to the Insert tab and click Pictures to add one. Once you've clicked the picture, you'll see a new Picture Format tab appear at the top of the ribbon. If you don't see that tab, it means the picture isn't selected. Just click on it again. Now click on the Picture Format tab. This tab only shows up when an image is selected, and it has all the picture editing tools you'll need. Look for the Adjust group along the ribbon and click on Transparency. You'll see a drop-down gallery appear with 7 preset transparency options. These are thumbnails showing what your picture will look like at 0%, 15%, 30%, 50%, 65%, 80%, or 95% transparency. For a quick fade, just click one of these presets. I'd suggest starting with 15 or 30%. The picture will fade immediately when you click. If you're using the picture as a background behind text, somewhere between 60 and 75% usually works well. If you want more precise control over the transparency, at the bottom of that drop-down menu, click Picture Transparency Options. This opens the Format Picture pane on the right side of the screen. In that pane, you'll see a transparency slider. Drag it left to make the picture more opaque, or drag it right to make it more transparent. You can also type a specific percentage into the box. The range goes from 0, which is fully opaque, to 100%. Which is fully transparent. Once you've got the fade looking how you want it, there are a couple of things worth knowing. If you're using this faded picture as a background, right-click on it and select Send to Back. That'll position it behind any text or shapes on your slide. Also, before you present, preview your slide in Slideshow. View the fade can look different depending on your projector brightness and the room lighting. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.